First of all, my name is Maria and I will talk as a representatives of our BIM team. Our job, that we are working on, is to create the digital twin of Clinical Center of Serbia for the facility maintenance. This building is located in Belgrade and it has 13 levels above ground floor and 3 levels below ground. Gross building is 86,000 square meters. The facade has 20,000 square meters. Also, here we have more than 155 tones of ducts. Now we are entering the 12th floor, in North Hall, where we can see the interior of building. In our model we have more than 100,000 elements with 350 level of details. Here we can see the hydrant and the mechanical equipment for the medical gas. We are walking through the hall into the electrical room. Here we can see the electrical racks, cable trays, fan coil unit and other equipment. How it works. On every element in the model we put some data parameters with the website of the products. This is an example for a sprinkler nozzle. Another example is a smoke detector where also we can see data parameters and the link of the product website. Now we will see an example of usage of our BIM model for facility management and maintenance. We will use Autodesk BIM 360 program for that purpose. We are going to enter a typical patient room where, as an example, we have an above-bed medical unit that was imported from our BIM model to application. We will demonstrate the process of maintenance usage of BIM where the user of the facility detected failure and reported it to the central app via application that can be downloaded on the App Store. Tickets have all the necessary information that helps detect and report tickets. Maintenance manager then forwards the task to the maintenance worker who reviews the task and fixes failure. After the task is done, there is a need to report it back to central where the manager has a full review of all the tickets done or the ones that are in progress. For additional feature included in BIM 360 Ops, we have the option to walk through the entire BIM model and read all of the parameters. As example, we have a sprinkler's head with all the parameters it has within 350 levels of details. Also, we have a complete list of assets included in the maintenance of the facility with all the data necessary for facility management. It also provides all of the technical documentation for equipment maintenance. And on top of that, users can locate every element in 3D model. We wanted to show you one more visualization. Part of MEP installations modeled out in the BIM model of Clinical Center. All elements here are synchronized with each other so that there is no collision as it should be on site. Materialization is also included in modeling so that model is identical to real building on site. Another video that we want to show you is how Revit works, and possibilities of this program. We will use one mechanical room as example. Here we can see a lot of air handling units with all ducts that are going to lower levels or on the facade for systems of duct supply, return, fresh and exhaust air. We can manipulate with work set, so we will open the pipes and electrical trays for air handling units. We also have libraries of elements that we are using in the model, like pumps, valves, thermometers and other equipment. We can isolate and choose what we want to be shown. For example, now we isolate the hot water supply. But the main purpose of this video is to show you that we are making our model so that it represents the building in real life as much as it is possible. Here is an example for another technical room. Here is a brief view of the utilities that we have in the model.